Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining this session. Even though we can't all be here in person today for Engage 2020, Smartsheet is more excited than ever to share what we've been working on with our customers. I'm Kara Lumley. I'm a senior product manager here at Smartsheet. I've been here for 8 years, and I'm very passionate about all things Smartsheet. I love hearing from our customers, and I love making improvements, especially to the grid, card, and Gantt view. A few things before we get started. This session may contain forward-looking statements, and trademarks are not endorsements in this presentation. As your organization grows, your systems and processes need to scale with you. We're here to tell you about current scaling options and features in Smartsheet. You'll get a peek into our recent updates and upgrades, performance improvements, and I'll share a few tips and tricks that I use when I'm building out my sheets. If you've got any questions, we've got our Smartsheet team on standby, ready to answer them. Empower your teams to do their very best work with speed and accountability. Smartsheet's Admin Center removes siloed processes and operations, and Control Center allows you to deploy large processes and projects at scale with your proven solutions. Gain access to extensive controls and visibility with our new Admin Center. Easily manage Smartsheet in your organization with robust enterprise and user controls. Take advantage of global security controls to manage and audit permissions. You can set permissions, dig into the audit trails, and configure your plan and users on a global scale. Do you need consistency with your projects? Are your projects evaluated and executed on according to your plans? What about visibility? Do you know what's happening in each of your portfolios and projects, or is there a lot of manual lift to do that? And scalability. Can you run a large portfolio and maintain the agility that you need to keep up with your changing business needs? If you answered yes to any of those, then Control Center is probably the right answer. It's a complete project and portfolio management solution. It's built on the core value of Smartsheet to deliver consistent, visible results, all with reporting and risk management built in automatically. This year, we've been working really hard to give our customers larger sheets, more formula options, and much faster performance, all designed for your scaling needs in mind. One feature I'm particularly excited to talk about is column formulas. So gone are the days of manually dragging your formulas down each and every row, checking individual cells for that incorrect syntax that an editor might have accidentally backspaced on and broken things. Now you can write your formula once, right-click on that cell, and select Convert to Column Formula. That means that that formula is consistently applied to every single cell in that column. So no matter how you have rows inserted, copy and pasted, how you drag and drop your hierarchies around, it just works. So have more confidence, save time, and have consistent, reliable results with the new column formulas. I'd love to hear feedback on how you like them and how you're using them. Automation. Automation is absolutely crucial to handle volume and scale. Your sheets are becoming larger, your processes and projects are becoming more important, you're adding more people to your team, and you need to be proactive about how you capture tasks before they become at risk. Create workflows to automatically send alerts and reminders, update requests, approval requests to responsible parties. Set up multiple workflows. You might set up an alert to let somebody know they've been assigned to a task. You might set up an update request if something falls behind. You want to know what's wrong. You can do that all with our automation tools. And some things that I keep in mind when I'm building out my sheets, I try to be very intentional. Who's the intended audience of this sheet? How can I help draw their eyes into what's most important? When I need to gather information, how can I use conditional logic and web forms to gather the most important data that I need with the least amount of effort from the submitter? Another opportunity to be intentional is when you're setting up workflows. All of us receive probably a lot of emails every day. I certainly do. When you're setting up your automations, does the recipient need to be notified right away of every change, or might a daily or weekly summary work well instead? Can it be personalized? When I'm thinking about formulas, which I think about a lot, I really, really like formulas, I will start using column formulas. And that way I will always have consistent, accurate results that won't be overwritten. I love formulas and sometimes I need help with them. And when that happens, I head over to our community. And we have some amazing community users who just do very creative things with formulas. It's very likely that I'll find my answer on how to write the best formula or get a brand new idea in our community. Lastly, once I've set up my sheet, I templatize it. Templates are the most efficient, effective way to ensure consistent deployment to users. So key takeaways: keep it simple. Manage your users and your large portfolios and projects with Admin Center and Control Center. Let Sheets do the work for you. Let Sheets do the work with column formulas and automation. Templatize your work. Make the recipients care about the notification emails that they may receive. Keep them at the top of their inbox and ready to respond just by being a little bit intentional on how you set them up. And maximize your sheet performance with column formulas, using the best functions and syntax for your formulas, and keep it intentional when you build your sheets. Some resources to check out. I go here all the time: the Content Center, the community, and help. We've got a great help center. Thank you very much, and we hope to see you next year. Bye-bye.